we have to find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes, two planes and the point -2, 1 and 3. Now, equation of any plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes is, now we are having two equations of the plane, so that is 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda with 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0, 1. Now, since 1 passes through, 1 means this equation, okay. Since 1 passes through -2, 1 and 3, therefore, (2 times -2, negative of 7 with 1 plus 4 with 3 minus 3 plus lambda 3 times -2, negative of 5 times 1 plus 4 times 3 plus 11 is equal to 0. In place of x, y and z, we have put the values -2, 1 and 3. Now, this becomes negative of 4, negative of 7 plus 12 minus 3 plus lambda, negative of 6, negative of 5, positive of 12 plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, this implies, now negative of 4, negative of 7, negative of 3, so this becomes negative of 14. So, 14. So, negative of 2 plus lambda. Now, 11 and 11 cancels, plus lambda into 12 is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to 1 upon 6. Substituting lambda is equal to 1 upon 6 in equation 1, we get 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus 1 upon 6, 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0, or 12x minus 42y plus 24z minus 18 plus 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, 12x and 3x, 15x, then minus 42y and 5y, negative of 47y, 24z and 4z plus 28z, and minus 18 and my positive of 11 is minus 7 is equal to 0. Hence, required equation is (15x minus 47y plus 28z minus 7 is equal to 0. Answer.